So basically, today the gym is closed. So we are going to the taekwondo class. It is going to be like from 6:30 to 8:30. We'll complete that, then we'll get back. So we are back home, and it's currently 9:15, and we like practiced till 8:50, and got back home. We means me and my sister. So I'll tell you why I converted this whole body comp into 75 hard. So let's first path. Let's first take a path. Then we'll discuss and have some food. Yeah. Then we'll discuss. Yes. So, why did I actually convert this particular body recomp into a 75 hour? Because just doing body recomposition is very boring. See, I have 3 months of holiday to myself. I don't have anything to do, and I don't know how to start. So I gave myself this challenge of 75 hours because I will be consistent in these particular days. Okay, so that I can track myself and not feel that I'm not doing anything at the leisure time. So um, these are some of the rules of 75 hours. First is sticking to a strict diet. So second is having doing two workouts. One should be outside. I completed one, which was my taekwondo class. Okay. Next is 10 pages of a non-fiction book. So currently I'm reading a fiction book, which is the first book of Harry Potter series. So I will read that too, a chapter or so, and I'll also read a non-fiction book as it is in the room. Okay, see, I am not a great reader. I have never read a book in my life, so I am keen on changing this fact. So yes, we'll do that. Okay. Next is 1 gallon of water. This is very easy for me for convenience. Actually, 1 gallon is something about 3.7 liters. So for convenience, I'll put 4 liters. That is very easy for me. So I'll do that. And lastly, a progress picture every day. So I'll follow this particular thing. And yes, I wanted to share one more thing with you all. I I had ordered my class 11 books, so it arrived today. I didn't got the English one because I was not sure which English was being practiced in class 11. So I'll show you all the books. Okay. Um, I have taken PCM, so these are the books of that particular subject. First, we get mathematics, not the favorite subject of mine, but yeah, that's mathematics. Okay. Then we have got physics. Two books are there. Part one. This one is part two, and this one is part one. Now, there is chemistry. It also has two books. First is part one, okay, and it's part two. So I'll ensure that I'll start studying these particular chapters. So yeah, now that these bridge courses had started, I need to complete those bridge courses and complete practice papers of those, as I will be preparing for JEE. As I have told in earlier videos, my ultimate goal is to achieve or be in the NDA, which is the National Defense Academy. So there is a particular entry which is called TES, which is the Technical Entry Scheme. So if I pass JEE, um, the rank doesn't really matter. I need to pass the exam just, and by doing that, I'll skip the written exam, as it will be a direct entry to the next process. So yeah, it is very important for me to also prepare for JEE. not in that level that I need to achieve AIR rank, but no, I have to prepare and pass the exam. So yeah, I'll be studying for that too, and also I'll be studying for NDA, like newspaper, current affairs, and vocabularies. Okay, I actually oh, okay. I actually have this diary where I write my vocabulary. It has been like 2 3 days since I started, so I've written some vocabularies. I have written a word, example, and synonym, and this will build up in time. And now I'll be so well versed in this vocabularies that I'll be able to communicate more. Um, I'll I'll be able to communicate more fluently. And it is very important for lecturates and GDs as well. GD is basically group discussion sessions, and so yeah, it is a win-win for me. So yeah, I'll do that too. So yeah, I'll be so. So the plan actually was to study for 2 hours, but I ended up doing 1 hour. And then I dozed off and slept till 2. I ate my lunch, and now I'm gonna chill for a bit. Then we will be going for a run for our outdoor activity. So it is going to be like somewhere between 3 to 5 kilometers. So yeah, we'll do that, and then afterwards we'll try to read. So yeah. So I just completed the what 3 kilometers run. I'll put up the stats here. But it was a bit slower than my previous run. It was the run which I did previously was of 20 minutes, and I completed 3 kilometers in 20 minutes. But today I lacked 1 minute. I completed the 3 kilometer run um, in in 21 minutes. So that's a bit slower. That's seven um, pace. So yeah, I completed the run, and yeah, that's the second workout being done. I have like completely drank like 3 liters of water. I just need one liter more, and yeah. Okay, in this particular time, I just wanted to talk to you about why I started this particular challenge. Like, why did I start the 75 hard? Many reasons. Okay, firstly, I physically was very am very underconfident about my body because I don't have the body I want to achieve. And I know I have a great potential. So to reach that potential, I am doing the 75 hard. I'll continue doing it after the 75 hard too. But yeah, this is a challenge to make myself consistent about my health and my physical being. And it is also a form of making discipline. See, when motivation strikes, you do that particular work for the longest of like 3 to 4 days. Then you leave it. Then you just forget about it. But 75 hard is the pinnacle. Like it's the test of you being true to yourself and staying consistent, being disciplined. So to build that discipline, to build that um, like courage to attempt this, I started this, and to achieve something, to achieve a great body um, which I imagine having. So it's basically a way to convert that imagination into reality. So yeah, basically that's the reason. Yeah. So this book was gifted by me, by a friend on my birthday, which I never started because I'm a great reader. I inculcate my thoughts inside my brain, so I don't need to read things. So I'm finally starting this book. It's a non-fiction book, and it's about how to win friends and influence people. It's quite literally in the title. And the funny thing is that I'm drinking water through this copper jug because I didn't get any water bottles. So yeah, it's perfect. I'll give it to this book. I read the first 10 pages. I'm already reached period. See, I haven't read the whole chapter. I have read just the 10 pages of this book. And I'm read period because of some context. But I'll complete the first chapter and tell you tell you the whole scenario. Because I can't make up the opinion about this by the 10 pages. I'll complete the first chapter and make my opinion in that particular way. So now let's go watch IPL.